Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 4 divide 4 is equal to 1, then 2 divide 2 is equal to 1. Then 1 divide 1 is equal to also 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation, when we have more than one division, we have to solve uh, from left to right, okay? So now let's solve this expression correctly. So first we have to solve this division and then this division, then this division, okay? So let's solve first division. So 4 divide 4 is equal to 1 divide 2 divide 2. Now 1 divide 2 can be written as 1 by 2 divide 2. According to KCF rule, K is equal to keep, C is equal to change, and F is equal to flip, okay? Then keep this expression 1 by 2, change the sign from divide to multiplication, and flip this expression 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2, therefore 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4, so 1 by 4, this is our correct answer, okay? 1 by 4.